This all started as a simple Google spreadsheet and somehow turned into an app that I could actually click on my phone. But there's only one problem. I don't know how to code an app. Let me start from the beginning. I've been using a Google spreadsheet to actually keep track of my finances, but the issue is the graphs and the cells honestly don't encourage me to keep using the budget spreadsheet. And it gets even worse. On my phone, the cells are tinier, it just doesn't look great. So what I need is a simple app that I can open, enter my expenses, click save, and be done. And I know what you're gonna say. There are already a million apps out there that I can use to keep track of my finances, but I wanna challenge myself. I wanna see if I can get ChatGPT to actually build me an app. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna prompt ChatGPT to give me the app, and I'm gonna give it a little context to make sure that it gives me exactly what I want. Hey, can you help me turn an idea that I have into an actual working app? I'm a complete novice, I have no idea what I'm doing, and I need you to guide me through every step of the way. I have a Google spreadsheet that I use to track my finances. Would you be able to build me an app that would replace my spreadsheet? Okay, chat's giving me a little direction. It wants me to give it my current spreadsheet and it's gonna turn that into an app. So hopefully that works and I'll sell the app for $1 million and retire and be happy for the rest of my life. Here's my monthly budget worksheet. Turn this into an app. Okay, it seems to be working. Everything looks great. It built something. I'm not sure exactly what it is. I downloaded the package and I'm looking at the files inside, and honestly, I have no idea what to do with any of these. I'm clicking them, but they're not doing anything. Again, I'm a novice. I have no idea how to code, so I need chat to give me just a simple file I can click and make an app. Just give me a file I can click and create an app. All right, so it seems that chat is just about finished building the app. And I think it got it. I think it has the wrong idea. It's built a web page that seems really cool. I really like the way the web page looks. If I could call it a day here and just have this, I would, but no, we need to go further and actually make something. Let's get back to the drawing board and let chat do what it does best and make another app. This is great, but I want an app that I can actually install on my phone. Help me create a package that I can click on and create an app and then download it on my phone. All right, it's thinking. Also, during all of this, it does take ChatGPT a bit of time to actually build these packages, almost 10 minutes every time I do a prompt. And I'm finding that talking to chat and getting it to do exactly what you want is like teaching a dog a new trick. It's difficult to get that language barrier, to get over that language barrier, but the more you do it, I feel like the more it's starting to understand exactly what I want. ChatGPT finished building the package. Let's see if we can just run this app and have it build everything for us. And it's red everywhere. It's red everywhere. The build did not work. It did not work. I'm not sure exactly what the issue is, but that's the beauty of it. I don't have to know. I'm just gonna have chat do it again and figure itself out. So the app package did not work. Can you make a better version? There are so many errors. I'm not sure how to resolve them. Can you figure this out? Okay, we have another version. Let's download it and pray it works, please. And there are more errors. I can't say that I'm shocked, but I didn't think it would be this difficult. But one thing that I know about chat, it's good at resolving its own issues. So what I think I should do at this moment is actually take a screenshot of those errors, send it back to chat, and have it fix whatever it has. Hopefully having a visual of what the error is can help it to like find a solution. Let's see what happens. There's some more errors while the app was building. I sent you a picture of what the errors were. Can you resolve the issue from this photo? All right, I'm not gonna say that I'm hopeful, but we have another package. Let's see if this one works. It's working, it is working. I don't know how to say it. It's easier than I thought it would be, but it's also harder than what I thought it would be. So hopefully this time it'll just work, create the app and I'll download it on my phone. Okay, let's run this create Android app and see what happens. This can't keep happening. I don't know what else to do but to try again. Let's just put the screenshot back into chat and see if it'll fix itself. I mean, it isn't the same error as before, so I'm hoping this is something along the bottom of the creation of the app, and hopefully chat will just fix that, and then this next version will be an actual app. Okay, we've attached the screenshot. I did everything you told me to do, and the build still did not work. Can you see what the errors were from this photo and resolve the issue? All right, it's built another package. Let's see what happens this time. At this point, I'm just collecting zip files. Like, nothing seems to be working, but let's see if this one will actually do it. And ladies and gentlemen, we did it. We built an app. We are official coders. Let's download it and check it out and see what it made. Okay, the app looks good. I like the colors. I do like the green. I like the light greens and all that. This is really nice. It has my income, my expenses. Okay, let's see if we can add something here. This is an official app. It's on my phone. It works. I'm clicking around. I'm entering expenses. But there's one problem. I can't save the expenses. The save button is right there, right behind my bat. You know that little area at the top corner of your phone where the battery icon and stuff is? It's right there. So I can't even click anything. But let's hope it can fix that issue and give us another version that'll actually work. The app works great. It looks fantastic. But there's one issue. When I go to enter one of my expenses, the save button is behind my battery icon. Would you be able to fix the app so that it fits on the screen? And ladies and gentlemen, we did it. We built an app. We are official coders. Let's download it and check it out and see what it made. And of course, it still doesn't work. I mean, it works. It's operating, but it only fixed that page where I can enter my expenses. I want every single page where there's a button to be able to click the button. So hopefully I can do this again and it'll fix that issue for the entire app. So the app looks great. Everything seems to be working well, but I'd like to make a few edits. I'd like to add 3 credit cards, 2 debit cards, a savings account, an investment account. Also, I'd like to make sure that each of these tabs on the app, that all the buttons and logos fit below the camera line. All right. We have a QR code to a file that we can download and hopefully have an app on our phone. I'm gonna calm down and hopefully download it. Everything's fixed throughout the app and we can just have it running on our phone. Okay, all right, everyone calm down. We have a full app. Everything's functioning, everything looks great. The buttons are in the right place. I mean, look at this. We can enter our starting balances. Let's enter something in our credit card. Let's say I spent $50 on food. And the transaction shows up. This is great. Everything's working. I couldn't ask for more. This was honestly easier than I thought it would be, but also harder than I thought it would be. I think I can officially call myself an app developer. I'm putting it on my LinkedIn. Overall, I think I learned a lot about chat, about AI in general, and getting it to do exactly what you need. A lot of it was like prompting it to fix itself and finding the right language to actually get it to do what you want. It's not super hard to get it to start, but refining it takes a little bit of work, and finding ways to talk to ChatGPT and AI in general so that it'll give you exactly what you need was the hard part. I mean, it built not most of the code. It built all the code for me. So that's the nice part. I didn't have to do any of the heavy lifting. So I'm gonna keep learning and figuring out what else I can build with AI. Feel free to comment on the bottom what you think I should try, and subscribe if you wanna see me build these things, or if you wanna see if AI breaks my computer.